to Destiny. Yeah, we're gonna put on some cheap mods on Destiny. So this is my first video. I don't know really how to do all this, whatever things, but I got all this. You know what I'm saying? I got all these boxes, all these tools for Destiny. So let's get started. Let's start with this to hook. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install this with one hand. Don't know, like, I don't know how's it gonna work out with one hand, but hold on. So gotta thread it on, and like I don't know how much, like I'll figure it out. One hand with this bit. So a nut goes like this. So I've seen people have this problem before. I don't wanna overdo it though. Hold on. I've seen this problem where people actually had this problem. What happens is it doesn't stay like. What is going on? How do you get it straight? How do you get it straight? Cause I don't want it to be rocking around. So I gotta take this thing off. Hold on. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me fix this. Hold on. So I got it on to the angle that I wanted it, and I tightened in the bolts. So when you hook on the hook to pull the car, this should really be adequate to move the car. And yes, I actually wanted it like this. And the reason why I wanted it like this, because this looks kind of cool to me in my preference. If you guys want the price, it should be up right now. I got this for like, I forgot. You guys will see. I'm gonna put up a screenshot, like I think here or there. I don't know. But on to the next mod. The next one is these. I don't like the orange indicators, which are those right here. I don't like them because the color of the cars, well, the colors is carbon and dark blue. So I don't like orange on the car basically, because I'm gonna replace that and I'm gonna replace these right here as well. I don't like them. So I got these. This is the first part of it, which is part of those. So we're gonna replace them, and I'm not gonna show you how to because I don't actually know how to do it myself. So this is gonna be a learning curve. Should be easy. We'll find it out. Oh, I figured it out. It's actually very simple. So you take a Phillips, and you just literally just go right here because that's where the clip is, and you push out. So push back and up. So hold on, push back, boom. So now it's out. Twist. Now the whole entire assembly is out. So from that point, you just hold on, twist the bulb like so. Pull off this. Then take off the. Hold on. Take off your bulb that's there. So let me do it right now. Like this. Just pull out this bulb. Then you see this right here. You put that into the bulb socket like this. So once I finish everything, I will show you guys how it looks when it's done. Next is the carbon spoiler, which is this. Now, not sure if it's real or not, so I want to go with it's possibly fake, possibly real. I'm gonna be real with you guys, but it still looks nice. So let me put this onto the car, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when it's done. Side note, installation of this is very easy. Hold on, before I show you guys the finished product, all you gotta do is literally clean your surface and then measure it, then cut it, then apply it. That's really it. That's all the steps. So I'll be back. And we are finito with the spoiler. Y'all see it right there? Now, it is carbon fiber, but I don't think it's real. I bought it on Amazon, but it still looks nice. I'm not ashamed of saying it's from Amazon, you know, and it still looks nice. At least it's not too ricer. I know people that have the big ass wings. Mine is subtle, all right? Very subtle. So, on to the next one. Now, this one, this is I don't know how much this is. Honestly, I didn't keep count on this one. But this one is the Angel Eyes right here from IDM Toy Lighting. Is it IJ IJM. I don't care. I don't know. This is on Amazon. The links will be in the description, by the way, y'all. A little affiliate links. I will get a kickback. Please, y'all. I'm not really, forcing you guys, but I'm just asking for you guys to go and click the links because I really appreciate it. It gives my channel like a little kickback. Just a little bit. But yes. But this is the angel lights right here. I'm installing right now. Right there. I'm starting with the left eye first. And then I'm going into the right eye. So I will show you guys like when I'm done with these. Now I will not show how to install these, well, because of the fact of my car is I think it's pre-facelift, but it is a 330ci convertible, and how they have it is they have the headlights like locked in, and so like it's a process. So I'm actually gonna put that in a different video and how to do that. So make it, separate so you guys can actually watch that one video to learn how to do that. So, yeah. So, stay tuned when I'm finished with these. All right, y'all. The last part of the puzzle just came in. My hair is crazy right now. Don't mind my hair. It's crazy. Bad hair day. Anyways, we're gonna be putting in the hub-centric spacers today. I'm gonna put 15 millimeters of spacing on the rear and the front. Now I'm gonna do the back first. Why? Because I want to see if I like, the whole, where it is, and then if I like it, then I'll put it to the front. So you're gonna watch me. Let's get to this right about now. Yes, guys. Make sure y'all get your wheel spacers. These were like $70, so it's a deal for all four. 50 millimeters from Plug Z. Link will be in the description. Remember, y'all, I get a little kickback from that affiliate link. You don't have to click it, but much appreciated if you do. Thanks for watching and everything. I don't really have a sign out yet, so one more thing. I completely forgot to say how long this took me. It took me like I don't know. I think so. I think it's probably like an hour or two. Yeah, it took me like an hour or two. If you know how to take up tires, then take it like an hour or two, by myself. So, yeah. So that's really it. I digress though. See you another day. Thanks for watching. And as always, this is D's Way.